So guys, if you don't know actually what's going on in the Adsterra.New, I'm going to share you a simple things like you must have a blog site, a website, a WordPress, blogger, any types of website, and you must set up your website with Adsterra ad. And if you have this, now you need traffic. So for traffic, I suggest so many authentic traffic exchange site and so many tricks to how get impression and click. You have to follow this method. In my previous video, you can see. Okay. Also, you have to know how you can send your points as a traffic. See, there is a setting. This is not every site same, but this is almost same in every site. Like you can use your points to send traffic in your website. This is actually the game. And another things, if your traffic is so much good, like this type of site, okay, this is not actually that this is my another site traffic, flag rush, YouTube, and everything, like every traffic, Google. You have to know how to bring traffic from that site. That's it. If you have this setting, if you have that ecosystem built by yourself, you can also earn. I'll not guarantee you must earn, but I can ensure you can start your earning. That's it guys, thank you.